Miss Handy Lady here. If you're having trouble with your dishwasher, this is what you need to do right here. Clean it. All down in here was covered, had all kind of glass and stuff in it. Had some pistachio shells. That was just the end of it. But this thing was full. And so this just, I can figure out how to video, and anyway, it just twists back down in there. And then this thing was, it had gunky that I had to brush off all the way around it. By the way, this little thing came in really handy, cleaning that thing out. Let's see, that did twist in right, yeah. Oh, sorry. Can't tell. It just kind of clicks in. Keep turning it. And then this just goes right back on where it come from. And apparently you're supposed to like give your dishwasher an extra life. What? Do it.